What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Bert College checking in once again. Back at you with another video. Back at you with another unboxing. Back at you with another banger. Let's go! So you guys, check it out. We're getting straight into it today. We're not playing around. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with everything I'm doing on this side. You guys, subscribe. Hit that like button. Share. I appreciate it. You guys know why. So we're getting straight into it. Like I said, let's not show my address, but we got a Nike box. I've had this box probably for about a week. I know I'll probably get a lot more views if I actually put these videos out when the shoe releases, but I'm not really worried about that. I just honestly want to see the shoe because it's been sitting in my room. You guys should be able to tell what shoe it is by the time you see the box. Boom. So I ended up getting my hand on this shoe for retail. The tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SE. Boom. It's your tag right there. You guys know this box. You've seen it before. Colors: apple green, black, and black. So let's just get into it, man. What are we? 2 minutes in. So you got your regular black paper. Looks like there's some type of sticker on the inside of the box. Only sticker I see. I like this shoe box, man. So you got your black paper. Then you got your white paper. I don't know how I feel about this shoe. Bow! Check it out. What you guys think? Shoe's clean. This is like a new buck. On the upper green, on the upper, it's a apple green nubuck. Got black laces. You got like a smoked out lace lock. And I guess in the lace holes are all black. You got the yellow shark's teeth with an icy clear bottom, and that looks like a black Jumpman. You also got black, and then it's black clear, and then on the back it says quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. I mean, it's a good shoe. It's a good shoe. Now, the shoe is obviously Oregon colors, so I think that's my biggest hang up with this shoe. Just because I'm a Husky, so And speaking of college, in terms of like college teams that I like, but I actually like this shoe. I like the color. The color pops. It kind of looks like the PE. Obviously, we all know that the greens are a little bit different, but I think this is a shoe I will definitely let sit in my collection for a little while. On the inside of the tongue, it says Elevate. It has like this like basketball short mesh on the inside, which I'm sure would be quite comfortable around the ankles, right? It's pretty thick, and the padding on the inside of the shoe is pretty thick. Does this shoe come with extra laces? It does not come with extra laces, so just the black laces. The insole, I don't know if you can see it. The insole's yellow. It's not like velvet or felt or anything like that, but it looks good. This shoe will definitely sit in the collection for a little bit. I don't know if I'll use it for trade bait. I don't know if I'll actually end up keeping this shoe, but I'm going to hold on to it for a little while. I think it was a good pickup. I honestly did not expect a hit on this shoe, though, when I got it. I didn't expect a hit, but I did. And it's funny because all the shoes that I do live cops on, I never hit. And then when I don't do a live cop, I hit. So I didn't do a live cop on this shoe, but I ended up getting the W for retail. Just kind of give you a little close up of the shoe. The tongue is 3M. You can't really tell because of the kind of light I got going on, but the tongue is 3M. Got a nice, like I said, nubuck. There's no defects on this shoe that I've noticed. No glue marks. So the shoe was crafted well. But that's it, you guys. Told you it was going to be a straight shot video today. I just been waiting to unbox these shoes. So like I said, I'm not going to do a whole bunch of crazy editing. Everybody's already seen this shoe. But I needed to shoot my video too. Everybody, it's your boy Burt Collins. I've already checked in. Now I'm tapping out. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Peace.